So the first thing you want to do is put down a drop cloth, because you do spray some paint when you're rolling. The other thing you want to do is get your handle, the length of your handle adjusted. You don't want it to be so long that you can easily touch the ceiling. I like to get it where if I'm kind of fully extended, normally extended with a normal extension, can't hit the ceiling. I really have to overextend to hit the ceiling, because you do not want to be hitting ceilings making a mess. So to start out, I load up my roller with paint. You don't want to place this in a corner and start right there, because you just load up your roller and you could get an excess amount of paint in there that's very hard to get out. So I like to start, a foot or so outside, get some paint on the wall, and then work my way back into that area. As you can see, I fully extend and I don't touch the ceiling. It's a comfortable position. You don't want to be have to press. Get enough paint on there where you put paint on the wall without putting a lot of force on it, pressing paint out. And then the final step is I just come back and I light roll this. Not using, if I see a spot that's void of paint, I put a little pressure on it, get some paint like there. Then I just light roll the whole thing, just to smooth it all out and give it a nice texture with a very light touch. You can see the difference this 18-inch makes and how quickly you can blow through a wall here. I'll go ahead and finish up this wall just so you get a sense for how quick this works and why you'll want to get an 18-inch roller. Back roll this, smooth out the texture. And that's it. A complete wall painted in, what, a minute? So you can roll, with this system you can roll out an entire apartment literally in under 30 minutes. So well worth the investment, and you'll want to have it if you're going to be doing your painting. Thanks for watching.